Wherever I live next, even if it's not in Manhattan, that is a non-negotiable. Hello you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. This is NK and today we are doing another apartment hunt. I've done a few of these videos already, really loving sharing them and documenting my experience on finding the perfect next New York City apartment for my next chapter in New York. A little TLDR. My current lease is up end of March, taking this time to look at every possible area in New York City that I might like to live in next. Not only learn for myself, but take you guys along with me. As much as I would love to stay in Manhattan, I am trying to be very open-minded on what else is out there. A few subscribers did mention looking into Brooklyn. With that, we are going to go to Brooklyn today, specifically Greenpoint. I also want to say at the top of this video, apartments I'm going to today specifically are out of my budget. And you might be wondering, well, why are you looking at places that are out of your budget? I will tell you why. Want to get a frame of reference to see what types of apartments that I might like. It's one of those things where someone asks, if money wasn't an object, what would you do? In this video, we're gonna have some fun and we're gonna go see some seemingly stunning apartments. So if that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe, thumbs up this video. Let's get started. Here's apartment 1. It was located on the second floor. From the moment I stepped in here, I was shocked in all the best ways. Everything was pristine. Everything had its own place. Here's the washer dryer, which obviously you never see in the lower priced apartments, but this one had that. It also had a dishwasher, stainless steel appliances, the whole works. This was such a cool oven. It's a little small, but such a cool oven. Loved the fridge. Honestly, all the finishes were perfect in my opinion. I also love the marble throughout. This apartment is perfect for hosting. Now we're going outside to the private deck. It doesn't really have the best view, but it is cool to have a private space outdoors that you can have guests here. It was very, very spacious. From what I recall, the 2 bedrooms looked starkly different in size. One seemed like a true bedroom size that would fit the bed and other items, and then it had a closet. And then this is the other room, which I feel like this is more so the bedroom. It was bigger than that other room, but maybe you can turn the other one into a home office. I think that would be a cool idea. Really good light. Now off to the second apartment. This is apartment number 2. So what I figured out very early on in looking at all these apartments is that they all had a similar layout. All the appliances looked fairly the same, and all of the finishes looked the same as well. All of them did have a washer dryer, and all of them did have the marble finishing in the bathroom. So it was really easy for me to kind of group all these together and see that this is really what you get with luxury apartments. I feel like this would quantify as a luxury apartment. Definitely correct me if I'm wrong. I think that for the price of all of these apartments, you are definitely getting one, more space, 2 nicer amenities and nicer finishes in the building. Honestly, it's funny because all the other apartment tours I've done so far, I've had to call out something that was not so great, because that is usually how New York City apartments go. But when you deal with the luxury apartment territory, you don't worry about the things that you worry about in a New York City regular traditional apartment. So something to keep in mind. But now on to apartment 3. Here's apartment number 3. I also want to say, when I looked into booking these tours to view them, I did see the photos, but it didn't really indicate that a lot of them would look pretty much the exact same. They are all for different developers. However, there had to be some type of consistency between all of them because of how similar they looked. I'm not complaining. I'm just saying that it was almost a copy paste of all of the apartments. But I'm not mad about it, because at least I was walking into very nice, clean, pristine apartments that I could literally envision myself in any of these. I just feel like seeing these really allowed me to know that this is aspirational living for a lot of people, and I'm happy that I got to see them. Now on to the 4th and final apartment. Here is apartment number 4, another 2-bedroom, same appliances, same layout as you are seeing. And I'm honestly glad that I'm showing it like this, meaning, as you can see, all of them are 2 bedrooms and all of them are in the same area and all of them have the same finishes, but all of them are different prices, which I guess that's kind of interesting. I'm not sure how that all works. They're similar prices. Some of them do have that outside area, which I think takes it over the top. But honestly, I spent a lot of time just sitting and thinking about how amazing it would be to live in an apartment like this. I think this is definitely something I want to shoot for in the future, and definitely work hard and make it happen someday. Brooklyn is cute though. I have told people that I want to spend a day just going around Brooklyn. But for now, let's head back to Manhattan because we have some stuff to talk about. Let's debrief. I specifically toured 4 apartments in the Greenpoint area of Brooklyn. So I first took time to walk around the areas of Greenpoint just to really feel the vibe of the area. It was really quaint. There were a few hole-in-the-wall restaurants, bakeries, mini stores, which I definitely appreciated. There was also a lot of people out today. An actual community, something that I'm definitely looking for. The prices of these apartments were very much out of my budget. That is okay. It was more of an aspirational search today, looking at what is out there, and I only scratched the surface. Brooklyn is somewhere that I could see myself living. We are still in middle of winter. More inventory will start coming up probably in the next month. These 4 apartments were the only apartments in Greenpoint that were available right now. The apartments themselves, they were stunning. I'm gonna say it right now in this video, one day I would love to have a 2-bedroom apartment, one for sleeping and then another one for a home office. Such a dream of mine. Really cool to just walk into these apartments and get to see what you can get for a larger price tag. I'm getting a better sense of the market, what is available. The only thing I would say about the Greenpoint area, and one of the subscribers did say that there really is only one train station station that can get you from Greenpoint to anywhere else. Wherever I live next, even if it's not in Manhattan, I need to be in direct contact with a station that will take me to Manhattan. That is a non-negotiable. I don't think Greenpoint is my area. It's not somewhere that I fully see myself living in, and we are still looking. We are 2 months out, definitely putting more emphasis on my search right now, and we are just taking it one day at a time. I'm trying not to be stressed out about it. I also want to be super realistic with myself. More to come on all of those details. I'm loving creating these. It's a visual diary of my search. It's helping me slowly come to a better conclusion on where I want to spend my next year. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. I will see you guys in my next video.